Okay, I'm coming up to my crawl space here, and we'll get in here in just a second. Okay, this is something you need to watch for when you purchase a new home and have stuff installed. This is a water filtration system. Today, I received a call from the finance company saying, hey, it's completely installed. Well, let me show you underneath. Okay, I'm coming up to my crawl space here, and we'll get in here in just a second. We were also supposed to be getting a filtration system, an extra, for drinking water underneath the sink that would come up here and come out of the, like where the sprayer nozzle is. The first clue is this. I have a pipe here. Comes from the water filtration system. It is not hooked up. So, I'm going to need to take a picture and send it to the finance company. The next clue is this one right here. It's not hooked up either. So, this system is supposed to be completely installed, and yet it's not. 17 years ago, my dad paid somebody the final money to finish putting in cabinets in the house we currently live in, and it never got done. We had to live with it for the rest of our 17 years and finish stuff ourselves. So I never forgot the lesson.